Hiya, Holly and Brooke. What have you two got today then?
Got Putty.
Yeah.
And we got you.
Who as well,
and
is
we
it?
got pink. And we got that. And we got.
What colours are they?
And right, we've got purple, yellow, and pink, and green.
Oh my god. Okay, you can open it up.
Yeah, right. You open these two. I'll open these two. Let's open the toilets first, Brooke. Okay, I'll open the toilets first. It's in wrapping.
Oh my god. Okay.
Look at the wrapping.
Go on, now you can open them.
Oh, I open them. I can open the wrap. Oh. Oh, look at the. Daddy.
Yeah.
Can we open these?
You open yours you want, no?
Right. Can we open these now?
Yeah, but are you gonna get these out first to show us what they do?
Okay. But I'm gonna. They far.
Oh my god.
See? Oh, yellow.
Oh my god.
Fine, I wanna open
Okay.
Oh goodness! Look. I got.
Oh,
It's
it's
in
in
the
the
pot.
toilet. Look.
No, it's in the pot. Daddy.
Okay.
It's in the pot.
Okay.
Oh. Ew! Look at this. Look at my slime, Oz. Look at my slime. Gooey it is. It's not slime. Gooey. Ew, Daddy.
I touch it.
It's disgusting.
It's not like Play-Doh, is it?
No way. I like this.
Oh.
Well, Daddy.
Yeah.
Well, what are we gonna do? Glass.
Yeah.
Stretch. Whoa. Oh my goodness, Dad! Daddy. Get this. Squishy. I can't feel yours, can I? Can you feel yours? Yeah. Ew. Oh, that's too cold. Mine is really cold and Brookie's is warm.
Oh god.
That's mine. That's mine.
Okay.
It's here. It's not hot. Oh my goodness. Got it.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's funny, isn't it, Dad? Oh, it fell on the floor. It was
Cool.
sticky.
Okay.
Oh,
You have fun with them now, okay?
But Daddy,
Yeah.
feel that sticky.
Yeah.
I just got it out the inside. I love these also. Can you rip them apart? Yeah.
So they good?
Yeah, they're sticky.
Yeah.
Ew. Ah, look at that. And now. Oh. Well, how did that fart?
Okay, we'll say bye then.